So a couple of days ago, a customer ordered one of these blue Tiffany rubber watches from us, but then he later decided that he actually wanted the Panda Casioak instead. So that's fine, we got that ready for him, but obviously we had packed this one up. So I thought we'd use this as a good excuse to do an unboxing of this and show you what you get inside, also show you the watch as well. So this is the box that you are going to get in your shipment. So let's just go ahead and open this up for you and let's have a look at the watch inside. So we do wrap this up quite heftily because it is an expensive item inside, so we don't want the shipment getting thrown about or anything like that, to reduce any damage to the watch. So here we are, we're inside and we've got the box now. Let's go ahead and open this. Inside we're going to have the review card, which you can use to send us in your wrist shots and also leave a review. Put that to the side. Got some bubble wrapping in there, and then we can start off with the items that you get in the package. So here we have all the original items in there. You've got all your screws and everything that you need, all the things that we've basically taken out from the original watch that will be found here in the tin. And then we have the actual watch which you've purchased. In this case it's going to be the Tiffany blue watch, so we'll take that out. You'll find in the box all the original paperwork as well, so the instruction manual and the warranty card. And then we can find the original watch inside this little pouch. And if I can help the camera focus on this for you, you should be able to see the watch. So take a look at that, guys. Absolutely beautiful. This is a gorgeous watch. He really liked this watch and he obviously placed an order for it, but then he actually realized that he's got a watch which is quite similar to this. It's in the G-Shock range. He's got something which is the same color, so he wanted to go for something different, and he originally came in for a Panda Casioak anyway, and of course he then went back to choosing that. But yeah, this is an absolutely gorgeous watch, guys, and it's one of our best sellers as well, for good reason. The color really pops out on this, and it's a really nice casual summer piece. So I'm just going to quickly, while the sun is out, I'm just going to quickly give you some dimensions on this as well. So if we take the general face, you can see 44.2 millimeters there. Now if we take the strap, it's going to be right around 24 millimeters. If we take the thickness, it's about 12.4 millimeters, as you can see. And I'm just going to give you a quick wrist shot as well. Sorry guys, I don't know why, but the camera keeps tuning out and is not focusing properly, but let's go ahead and put this on the wrist and show you what it looks like. Okay, so we'll bang this on. There we are, guys. How does that look? Looks pretty neat to me. So you can get this obviously in the blue, the blue rubber variant, which is this one here. You can also get it in a silver variant as well. You can also get it in a black variant as well. All of these are available on our website. Some might be out of stock, so you can place a pre-order, which basically means you pay up front for it and you wait a couple of weeks for us to get in the parts. We make it for you, and as soon as we've made it for you, we send it out straight to your door. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and check out the link for this in the description below, where you can go ahead and purchase it straight away. Thank you.